we need to account for every penny that we spend as government. And so we shall be on site on Thursday, Wadalai, until, even if we see that on Thursday we have not gone anywhere, we shall continue. We want this project complete by March. You said March.
Can I say something? Right, Honorable.
Enough is enough. I am saying no to consultants with effect from today. You hire your consultants at your own cost. No to consultants once again. We have technical people who have been in school, even in local government, and they just need very little money to move. So you hire a consultant from maybe Kenya, now others are from India. Where is that consultant from? I'm told the consultants came from India. How about the consultants? Now local consultants, when we have idle staff in the office, they just need fuel to move. They have a salary, they have everything. And that's their responsibility of supporting, deliberately supporting the local contractors to build our economy as a must under your ministry, Jaja. Local contractors like Abubakar, you have those that have attested already. See how to help them with these small projects so that they can build themselves deliberately.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the other thing is we wanted you to see how to help us. Mubende, Mitiana Road is a thorn in our throat. We the leaders who go through, we are tired of being abused by local villagers. Whenever you are negotiating a portal, they say, Chigwemu, temwina bye mukola muisa wano convoy. They have abused us enough on that road. In fact, they also abused the Muzei. Hey, Ochirabye. He told you. So can we have that road out of our way?
The world over has been able to really transform fast enough without empowering their local people. So I'm requesting, again, it will be a deliberate move to ring-fence some work for local contractors. It's a journey that you need to kind of re-event, just like the Right Honourable talked about the local units, engineering in the ministry. I would like that you have a deliberate plan to empower local contractors. So we are happy to come and work with you, but to see that we deliberately, just like Muzei is helping to get coffee, you big people, let's also try to get contractors that are Ugandan. I thank you. The world over has been able to really transform fast enough without empowering their local people. So I'm requesting, again, it will be a deliberate move to ring-fence some work for local contractors. It's a journey that you need to kind of re-event, just like the Right Honourable talked about the local units, engineering in the ministry. I would like that you have a deliberate plan to empower local contractors. So we are happy to come and work with you, but to see that we deliberately, just like Muzei is helping to get coffee, you big people, let's also try to get contractors that are Ugandan. I thank you.
When you have them, then the masses get to know what is going on. And there are better voices for us when a mistake is done, and better voice for us when we are taking remedial actions. So I think it should be a culture that whenever we are going up, down there for any project, we make sure that the local authorities are known. It is amazing that some of these projects, you go to the cow's office and you don't find the bills of quantities.
Issue of commencing projects when we are not ready for them, particularly in the area of land acquisition. Basically, you are starting a project without the site. Previously, through our engagements with the former UNRWA, they told us that that's how they have always done it. They start, they will get the land as we go along. But we see, in reality, this leads to costs because they never actually get the land in time. The contractor is deployed, they do their part up to where they need the land, and then nothing happens. So during that time, they are charging delay damages. And they ask for extension of time, and these things lead to cost escalation and disputes.
As I was saying, Mitiana Mubende, we have paid that person fully.
10 million.
We have paid him fully. Now, yes, that was the last payment. We had earlier paid him 39, then paid him another lot, and this 10 billion is the last payment which we paid him. So the problem with that is that the company, I think, is run by maybe that individual. When he's not here, things don't move. We also faced a challenge on some of the projects that when campaigns started, because I think of the threats by the opposition, many of the contractors went away in fear of what would happen. So some of them are now just coming back after finding that things have stabilized, including some of the Chinese.